Hello, friends! Welcome! We hope you are doing well.
Today, we have brought a beautiful factory process for you to explore.
If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Let's move ahead now and see today's banana manufacturing process inside the factory.
Fresh bananas arrive at the factory, ready for the first quality check. Every banana is carefully handled as it enters the processing line.
Our experts ensure every banana meets premium quality standards.
High-tech sorting guarantees perfect bananas every time. Advanced grading ensures only the best bananas move forward.
Every batch is accurately weighed for precision processing.
Defective bananas are automatically removed to maintain perfection. Bananas move seamlessly towards the washing and preparation section. Conveyor alignment ensures uniformity for the next processes. Bananas are efficiently transported through the factory with care and precision. Bananas are thoroughly washed to achieve premium cleanliness. Water baths remove every impurity, ensuring freshness. Soft brushes polish each banana to perfection. Sanitization keeps every banana hygienically safe.
Drying process ensures bananas are moisture-free and ready for processing.
UV sterilization eliminates any remaining germs. Cleaned bananas shine with premium quality. Peeling section preps bananas for further processing efficiently.
Manual inspection ensures no banana is overlooked.
Hygiene tunnels maintain top-level cleanliness before processing.
Peeling machines gently remove skins while keeping bananas intact.
Slicing ensures perfect, uniform pieces ready for production.
Bananas are transformed into smooth pulp with high precision.
Mixers create perfectly smooth banana puree for packaging.
Dehydration prepares slices for long-lasting quality. Heating process ensures freshness and hygiene simultaneously.
Frying creates golden, crispy banana chips with perfect texture.
Excess oil is removed to maintain quality and taste. Cooling ensures bananas and chips maintain their freshness. Seasoning drum adds irresistible flavor to every chip.
Precision filling ensures each pouch is full and consistent.
Banana chips move smoothly towards packing stations.
High-tech machines create perfect banana chip pouches. Sealing locks in freshness and quality for every packet. Every packet is weighed for perfect consistency.
Metal detector ensures absolute safety and quality.
Each packet receives a vibrant, eye-catching label.
Our experts ensure every product meets premium standards.
Packets are packed elegantly into cartons for dispatch.
Packets are packed elegantly into cartons for dispatch. Cartons are sealed perfectly, ready for storage or shipping.
Batch coding ensures traceability and quality assurance.
Every carton is scanned for accurate inventory tracking.
Cartons are organized efficiently for storage and dispatch. Shrink wrapping secures pallets for safe transportation. Forklifts handle pallets carefully to maintain integrity.
Cold storage keeps products fresh and high quality.
Organized shelves maintain efficient storage and access.
Inventory system ensures every batch is monitored precisely. Pallets are prepared for smooth dispatch to markets worldwide.
Cartons are loaded with care for safe transport.
Sealed trucks ensure products remain untouched until delivery.
Export containers are packed efficiently for international shipping.
Trucks exit the factory, carrying premium products to the market.
Final inspection ensures only perfect products are shipped.
Finished banana products are displayed, reflecting premium quality.
Every banana flows seamlessly through the state-of-the-art production line.
A complete view of the production line showcases efficiency and cleanliness. The banana manufacturing process is complete, delivering premium quality to every consumer. Here begins our complete banana production process. Watch how every banana is prepared to perfection.